Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another Dollar Tree DIY. So this one's going to be a little country farmhousey, and what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this twine that I got in the automotive department, some burlap ribbon with these cute little black dots on it, the tiki bar sign, and I've got some of the little poster stickers. And then I'm going to bring in some of my Arteza paint. This one is cold gray, and then a dry brush. And that's all we're going to do. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm going to take these little guys off of here for right now. And then we can just remove the tag. And you want to cover this with hairspray or sand it down. And you can use either side. I'm just going to flip it over because I'm only going to use the white side rather than painting the other side white. Alright, so first things first, I'm just going to take a very little bit of this cold gray, and I'm going to put it onto just a little piece of paper because I'm going to end up tossing it away anyways. So I'm just going to grab a piece of paper here, and I'm going to just put a very light amount, like really light. There we go. And then I'm going to take a dry brush, and when I start to get some of that dryness, I'm just going to kind of go across here, just giving it a little bit of dimension. And that is really all about that's about it. Just trying to give it a little bit of a wooden farmhousey look. I think I'm going to go a little bit darker on this side. Stanley, you're okay, buddy. We got some barking dogs, which probably means there is a delivery or somebody's home. But we've got that little woodsy feel now, and that is all about it. This is so quick and so easy. I'm going to take those stickers, and I'm only going to need one on this one because I'm going to make this into a laundry sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spell out the word laundry, but I went ahead and wrote it out so that way I could see exactly what that middle letter is, because I'm just a little crazy here. So I'm going to take out, and they're already done. They're perfect. And then I can center that laundry sign right up here. And we're just going to put that N right in the middle. And if you want, you could really line it up. I'm going to make this a little straighter here. And I'm going to line it up from the bottom. And if you just put the top line there, there we go. And then I'm going to grab my U, and we're just going to build it outward. So going back here, I'm going to put my U right next to it. And then my D is going to go right next to it. And so we're building from the center out. And on here, I could just use these lines. And we're just going back and forth again. I need to find my R's on the other side here. And so I always like to buy a couple of these. And the reason being, in case you need additional letters. And where's the L? Here we go. And then if I could just find that Y. So we still have plenty of letters left. So these letters will go far. Now, if you wanted to, you could paint paint over it and then remove these just like a stencil, but I'm okay with it. So next I'm going to take just some twine, and I'm going to glue this to the back, and I'm going to just take a clear adhesive glue, because this glue dries really fast. If you haven't tried it, it's art and glitter glue. It dries really fast. This was actually, I had it, but I had never used it until my class on Saturday, my online class, and then one of the ladies was like, have you ever tried this? And I had it, but never had tried it. So I'm going to go, well, I want it to stay in place is what I want. But I'm going to try something a little bit different, because this, normally I use hot glue. But you know me, I have to try new stuff so I can make different little goof ups. So I'm going to take this and I am going to tie it. Very tightly. Okay, now I can move this over to where the glue is, because I do want it to stick to where that glue is. And now I'm just going to go around multiple times. And then when I get back over here, I'm going to take that point again and retie it. And I'm going to do that to both sides. Okay, so I've got both sides done. Now I'm going to take this guy here, and we're going to go ahead and make a little bow. And this little bow is just so cute. So for our bow, we're just going to go once like this, and then we'll make it a little bigger on this side. Well, we're going to twist it here because we want those black dots to really be showing. Make it a little bit bigger. And then we're going to twist it again. And then once we get our little bow, we're going to be able to just cut this off. And we're going to take another piece. And you wrap that around. And this is wired, so all that twisting and everything is going to be just fine. Well, I'm going to make sure this gets all centered. And then you can hot glue it here, or you can twist it, whatever you'd like. And then again, these are like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this here and I'm going to glue this first. Okay, I went ahead and glued that with that same crafter's glue. And now I'm going to take some of this twine and I'm just going to double it up because we're going to wrap this around as well, just like we did with the other. And then in the back, just like that. And then we'll tie that together. And we have that tied in the back, but I'm going to also make a little loop here. And we're going to tie this onto that string. And we've got that right in the middle. So see how cute that is? And I still haven't fluffed the little bow up yet because we're still working on it. But what I'd like to do is I'd like to take a little bit of this little flower here, and I was wondering if I wanted to give it tails with this, but I actually think I'm going to bring this guy in and give it just a couple of tails. Not too long. And we're just going to take our ends like this, and I'm going to take a larger there we go. And now we've got some cute little tails, and I'm going to be able to hot glue these onto there to give it a nice little bow. It's so cute. So I'll hot glue that, and then we're going to push this out. And you can make this go back and forth because I love working with wired ribbon. Same with our tails. You can make them go like that. So let me go ahead and bring this back. We're going to put these back through, but we're going to go the opposite way now because we want the back to stick there. And I will hot glue those tails, and then I will take a picture and show you how cute this is going to be. Alright, beauties, if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. If you want to see more Dollar Tree DIYs, I mean, it's only cost me a few dollars, and it's just a cute little laundry room sign. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Have a wonderful day. Bye!
The first